What's up, everybody? So it's Wednesday, and I'm gonna fire up the kiln today. It's pretty nice out, so luckily it's kiln firing weather. It's been really fucked up hot the last month or two. I got the shed all sorted out and everything. It was all full of cardboard and stuff like that, and I never really realized how hot the kiln got. So anything within 2 feet is just super warm after a while. Got the kiln paper in, and you know what? I'll show you guys that. Hang on. So this is what the kiln paper looks like. It almost looks like a thick paper towel kind of situation, but that'll be interesting to try out. I'm gonna use Topo Chico glass and see how that works, and then if I can get it all sorted out, we'll have a brand new thing that I'll have to show you guys. But on another note, I marked all the Etsy shit down because I just want to get rid of it. I'm ready to move on to the next thing, so all that stuff I marked down 30%, and hopefully move some of that stuff, and I'll still keep doing that same kind of silver, but I want to give myself some room to always be doing new stuff. I got some other stuff on the 3D printing front, around the world of sports cards and stuff like that. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the update today. But catch you guys later. Peace.